इस तरफ निगोह का दवा इसने मिस्टर ब्लаттер.
Посмотрел, встретился с вами и посмотрел, что технический футбол у вас очень хороший. Это как раз база с футбола.
Арсак!
Возьмите ручки, возьмите. Вот, идите, все, браво. Фото together. Еще раз.
He is also a football fan, and about all the development programs that have been made by the government and by the head of state in the different regions of the countries by constructing small stadia, constructing devices for football, small pitches, full-size pitches. It's now an infrastructure in football that is, I can say, for this country with practically 10 million people, I can say it is a good one, it is a very good one. Thank you for your question. And definitely, yes, girls, women and ladies, they should have the right to play football. It is not only a game for men and for boys. In this country as well, women's football is played. And I have seen today's girls from 6 to 12 years starting to play football. And I think it is not only a good start because they have already started to play women's football. But I want to give a very important decision that we have taken in FIFA, that women's football shall be universal.